Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Goddess Girl. Another day, another fragrance, and today I have something really cute to unbox today. And today is the Dior Maison, and this one is Gris Dior. What a good day to unbox a new fragrance. If you want to know the review and the unboxing of this Dior Maison Gris, just stay tuned. I love Dior Maison that they have the box for each fragrance that you pick up. It's really sturdy, I love that. And I read it before, if you keep your fragrance in a box, it would be better somehow. I think the box and everything is standard, beautiful and classic. Really sturdy, I love it. By the way, this one that I bought is 100 mils and it's 40 mils and it's $100. By the way, I've been seeing a lot of people really love this one on YouTube. I have a chance to get my hand on it and I bought it. I didn't buy the big bottle, just kind of want to save up a little bit so that I could try many fragrances from Dior Maison. And you guys know I love Dior. Oh my god. Let's try it on. For my first impression and the beginning of this fragrance is floral, but it has something that's kind of woody spice in it. It reminds me of Chanel No. 5, but it's not like that. I mean how it's spicy and woody just reminds me of Chanel No. 5. But other than that, it's really sweet. Not too sweet, but really sweet, flourish, and spicy. Oh my goodness. They have some kind of smell that I could not explain. It's like Chanel No. 5. That's antique smell, but it's not like that, but it's something like that that reminds me of. Let it dry out a bit. This is a more intense version of Chanel No. 5. Reminds me of that, I'm not sure. It got a review for 4.4 out of 5 on Fincartica. The notes of this one is oak moss, rose, patchouli, bergamot, amber, cedar, sandalwood. Oh my god. Oh yes, it's a sandalwood that makes it so antique but really beautiful. But it's also fresh somehow. This is a beautiful fragrance. Oh my god, I cannot get enough of Dior Maison. It already dries down a bit and I know now why people love this one. It's really relaxing, beautiful, fresh, and not too strong. I like that. Sometimes strong fragrance make me feel nauseous or have a headache. I hate that. Today I have the headache when I wake up because I didn't sleep well, but now it really make me feel awake and more fresh. Oh my god, I'm not kidding. It's really beautiful. Oh my god, I really have nothing bad to say about it, and I'll be right back for the wet test. Now it dries down and I love the sandalwood mixed with the rose, and I could smell a little bit of rose but a lot of sandalwood, and that's really beautiful. It does remind me of Chanel No. 5 indeed, but sweeter version. Right now it's 1:30 and I'm gonna do the wet test for this one. Hi guys, welcome back. Now it's almost 9 p.m. It's been almost 9 hours and and the fragrance is still strong, not like strong at the beginning, but I still could smell myself. I can smell myself the whole day. It's really beautiful and relaxing. That's my review for Dior Maison Gris, and I have nothing bad to say. It smells really classic and beautiful, not too sweet or too strong. For your reference, it reminds me a lot of Chanel No. 5 but sweeter. So if you would like to try that, I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video.